Right then, in the market for a Range Rover Sport, we sell so many, it's quite difficult to find in the market, aren't they? Because there's quite a few available. Which one do you pick to buy? Well, listen to this. This is a 24-plate facelifted Range Rover Sport. It's a Dynamic SE, the D300, but listen to the spec. It's got heated and cooled front and rear seats. It's got a sliding roof. It's got 22s in gloss black. It's got full Land Rover black pack. It's got a fridge. It's got soft closed doors and a deployable tow bar. I mean, what a car it is for the spec. And for the money, it's ultimate value, I think. Black's the colour, isn't it? It looks stunning in Santorini black when it's all full black from factory, the black pack. But this is a wheel you don't usually see in black either. I love this design in the wheel. Better than the SV bespoke wheels, which you'll see on all these cars. In black, this design looks great with black calipers. Now, this car is rare because of its options. So do you find these with heated and ventilated front and rear seats? You don't. Do you find them with soft closed doors unless you're going from an autobiography? You don't. And you'll see it's a facelifted car. So the center console is clear, the dials are taken away, and the climate control and seat selections are all put in the screen. With a sliding roof as well, it's a big option in one of these cars. Look at this. Soft closed doors, love that. So your rear passengers are getting experience with the roof, with the electric seats at the back, with the climate control and heated and ventilated seats. So these cars coming standard with electric seats, memory seats, Meridian sound system. But then this one's got the look, hasn't it? So full black pack, so badging, boot finisher, badging here, bottom section, and then power tailgate off the key or with the button. Big boot space. This cluster of buttons is very important, so we can fold the back seats with these buttons here. So it gives you a ginormous boot if needed. Fold them back again with the buttons. Then we've got the deployable tow bar. It's a very, very costly option to have. Do your research as well, because these cars are one of the best tow cars you can buy in the market. So caravans, trailers, whatever it might be, big option. And you've got the air suspension there. Right, I'm going to turn the car on. I'm going to show you a few other features to the front before we go inside. So it's got keyless entry, it's got keyless start. Car's in a beautiful condition as well. 28,000 miles, wheels in like brand new, bodywork's all awesome. Obviously, you've got the glass piece for the LED, which runs underneath these individual OLED sections. This car on a night time, if you're using it, it's got a very clever headlight system which picks out certain elements of the road and darkens others. It's very, very good indeed. Then, let's look inside. Show you some of these awesome features. Some Meridian stereo, memory seats, electric seats. Easy to get in and out of these cars. But this one has got this. Even in an autobiography, one of these cars, we sell so many, that isn't standard. So the fridge is a big, big option for someone who wants a fridge. Inside, we've got wireless phone charging pads. You plonk your phone on there, it charges wirelessly. 2 keys for the car. And then, if we go into this little section here, this is your climate control now. We've got ventilated seats and we've got heated seats. Stunning options. Obviously, everything's wireless in the car. 11.4-inch touchscreen. You know, you've got it's dead easy to use. Wireless smartphone integration. But then we've got the top view camera, the reverse camera, the 3D camera. And because this car comes with the deployable tow bar, you then get the tow camera as well. What a car. Great car. Some things that I've probably missed: adaptive cruise. You've got safety assist here. So in these new facelifted cars, you can toggle your safety settings off that little button. It's also got a heated wheel. Great car, really is. Oh, I've missed this. Probably the biggest feature if you're going to buy a Sport. For me, again, they come standard with a glass roof, but you need one with a sliding roof. I use that a lot. So there you go. Great car. On the website now, it's got the external look, all black. Love the wheels on this, usually not coming in black. This one's got them, so it's all black, stealth look. On the website now, 24, warranty with Land Rover and breakdown assistance until 2027. But really, it's a really, really good buy if you're looking for a Sport. Thanks for watching.